What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, QQQ, and the S&P 500. Now, specifically, we need to continue from where we left off in yesterday's episode, which, as you can see here, was in reaction and regards to a possible bull flag breakout coming, one last pump that we could see within this quarter of probably the next several years, to be honest with you here. We're at a point now where we are coming to quite possibly the end of the bull market. Typically within crypto, which we know at this point is cyclical, we see movements every 4 years, once every 4 years, bull market, bear market, flatline crypto winter. What we tend to see is 1 to at most 2 bullish runs prior to starting the bear market. And we've already for sure had one. So we're now trying to figure out whether or not we have one last one left. And if that's the case, we will be ready and prepared. And even then, we still can capitalize off the bear market. It's only the crypto winter that gets dry. Now, as you guys can see, we're mentioning the fact that one last breakout could very well be around the corner. And that's what we're going to continue today. We were able to capitalize off the major, I don't want to say major, we were able to capitalize off a daily symmetrical triangle that we were able to find just a couple of weeks ago here. This goes back to January 15th, the start and rise of a beautiful symmetrical triangle, very obvious here with the way of its certainty of consolidation. I mean, we had a major manipulation and the markets managed to correct itself back out. This was the China AI nonsense. And now that we're back inside here, we had a beautiful confirmation closure. I think people are also, placing Trump's tariffs on this, and that's what's causing the drop. Correlation and causation, again, don't really believe it. This was a beautiful timing of correction here. There was no room left in the crypto markets to do anything. We had to make a decision, whether breaking up or down. We confirmed closure below support. That triggered a drop in price. We fell so low, 45% here, and here we are consolidating back up where we're at. No new trades right now, but we are still looking over the market, getting ready to buy in, and that's just me. I mean, you could still, if you entered that short and you still have short position open, just move your stop loss down and gradually get ready. But you could have been, most of you probably stopped out on this as you gradually lowered it. And then eventually we reversed back up, stopping us out. So if you're out of it, just be patient. I'm being patient and waiting to see some sort of market movements here. But we are going to look at other cryptos today. Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, QQQ, S&P, like I said. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is giving away up to $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency, which is super cool. I am still waiting for their new promotion going on. I don't know if you guys are familiar. They're based in Singapore and they celebrate the Lunar New Year, which happened about a couple of days ago. Today might be the last day or maybe this week of them celebrating it, but it's very important to them. So that's why we're not seeing too much feedback from their side, and they should be back probably. I was able to speak to them a few times, but we should be getting that new promo probably come next week. So keep your eyes peeled for that. That's going to be exciting to hear that. But as you guys can see, you can earn up to $8,100 in free bonus crypto. I always say it's like exchange arbitrage, just jumping around, bouncing around the different exchanges here. And you can see with something like BYDFI, you can get $100 pretty much to anyone that signs up, which is cool. 100 goes a long way, especially now that they're offering up to 200x leverage. And then they have up to 8K in demo bonus money. So literally on a deposit with trading volume, you guys can earn 8K and free bonus cryptocurrency. And then the best part is use that bonus crypto to trade around with, liquidate or remove your 100K that you had originally deposited back into your wallet. And now you have 8K of free cryptocurrency to do whatever you want with. And with leverage on 8K, it's free trading. Get a new exchange, open up a new account on the same exchange and do it again. And you get another 8K. It's that simple. Trade around with it and all profits earned off of it, you could withdraw completely free. Now we'll talk about BYDFI more later on in today's episode here. But moving forward from that, from BYDFI here, coin market cap looks all right. Down about 1%, nothing too crazy. You can see the formation, like the fractal taking place here, which is very exciting if you ask me. Things look very nice, just consolidating. We're down, across the week, but for the most part, we look pretty good, if you ask me. Something like, XRP and Solana, we're going to have to continue to discuss here. You can see XRP, as I said briefly in the intro, we have a beautiful symmetrical triangle. We broke down from it, and here was the fall. I mean, at this point here, it's just a waiting game. There's nothing really to buy into to take advantage of here. There's no new technical, at least that I'm seeing. That's not accurate. So it's just a waiting game at this point. And there's a very good chance we could probably consolidate back down to moving average here, which wouldn't be too bad. I mean, honestly, it'd be healthy and necessary for XRP to even consider heading higher. And if anything, we can take the time now, the slowness, to really appreciate and take advantage or take a peek at what's happening on the weekly charts, which to here shows we just came back out of overbought, and we're so far away from moving average. I only think it's a matter of time before we come back to retest moving average like we always have. Look at this breakout back here in 2021. Explosion to the upside. Where did we go after that? Well, we started a downtrend like we've discussed. You can see maybe you can consider this 1 to 2 points of breakout here, but then we start our downtrend and we come back down to moving average. Well, flash forward to today, we had maybe 2 pumps, 1, 2, and guess what? Now we're going to start the downtrend. We need to come back down to retest and hit moving average. We could have had the second bullish run. This could be it for XRP. And now we're going to start to see these swings like this. There will still be huge swings and huge pumps to capitalize on, but we are now going to gradually make our approach down to moving average. That's truly what is expected and anticipated within a lot of these cryptos now moving forward. Now, aside from XRP, looking at other cryptos like Solana here, Solana has a 4-hour descending fractal. It's a bull flag. Very easy one to track and trade on too, which is exciting, at least in my eyes. You can see we have officially made it down to moving average. This is good news. This is very good news because it means we're back down to neutral levels here. You can see we're trading at 43 on the relative strength indicator. That gives us ample opportunity to see the possibilities of a break to the upside here, which is epic. If you ask me, this finally opens up the opportunity to see a rally, to confirm breaks to the upside here. You can see with the descending fractal here, it's clear as day that if we can confirm a daily closure above price ceiling in yellow, we can buy in and long this to the upside. It is that simple. So keep your eyes peeled on this. This is exciting news to me to see that buying opportunity. Everything looks great on Solana. It's a huge opportunity to take advantage of it. Obviously, trades will be done on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses. Everything you'd want is offered on BYDFI, including, Solana. You can see right here, XRP, they have opportunities of. You can easily track and trade this. I mean, look at the beautiful bull flag. It don't get any cleaner of a downtrend than this. Look at how simplified this is. I mean, hello, it's literally asking you to trade it because this is textbook downtrend. This is textbook bull flag. Flag pull up, descending fractal. We're going to see how we enter is how we exit, continuation. We're getting right neck and neck. Look at all the consolidation. 99-day, 25-day, and 7-day moving average, and we are below it here. So we just need to confirm above that, and then boom, buy an opportunity. Market orders, stop limit orders, take profits, trailing stop losses. Everything you'd want is offered on BYDFI, which is epic. They've been around for, 4 to 6 or even 7 years. I think 2020 they came out, so 5 years. Epic, maybe even 6 years, 2019. But they're an excellent exchange. Highly recommend you check them out here. On top of the reward center, they also have a demo trading account, which is unique. Not many exchanges offer that. You can see demo account right here. Open the link. And you can see you now get 50 grand in demo money, not bonus money, demo money to practice your skills, get familiar with the exchange, make profitable consecutive trades, or make unprofitable trades and realize, hey, maybe trading ain't for you. You know what I'm saying? Learn the market on here. Practice on here. It is an exact cookie cutter copy paste layout of the platform. So if you can get familiar with how this works, did not mean to do that. I do have ad blocker. When you get familiar with this, you can head on over to the live trade, use that bonus money, and then all the profits earned, you can see right here, if I go from USDT wallet to bonus wallet, look at what it says. Trading profits can be withdrawn. It don't get any better than that. But otherwise, looking at Ethereum, these other cryptos, we're starting to notice possible new formations here, like a bull flag. We're slowly tweaking this to make it make more sense here, but definitely bull flag formation taking place here on Ethereum as we slowly head down to moving average, which is what we discussed in yesterday's episode, to the uptrend and moving average, as we found on the weekly charts here. We look gorgeous. We come back down into contact, I think just like we did in the past here, we're going to do again right here. So I'm excited to see that. And aside from this, and there definitely might be a top. Let me just go back to the weekly. Is there a top here? There could be something. Nah, we're going to leave that alone. But there definitely could be a top, and the next run might be lower than the last. Bitcoin looks great too. Stuck between a rock and a hard place. All-time high, uptrend. We'll see where that goes. QQQ. You can see how the pre-markets closed during closure. Still consolidating in here. We're waiting for confirmation above that yellow resistance to get a buy-in clear opportunity. Otherwise, we could expect to see a dump. The higher we go on this, it's like a high dive. The higher we climb, the harder we're going to fall if it ever happens. Jumping to the weekly, you can see every now and then, every couple of years, we come back down to retest moving average. 2015, we have 2016, 2018, 2020, we have 2022, we have, and that's it. It's been 2 years since the last time QQQ has made a comeback to resistance here. Notice how many times I've listed off in the past them come into contact. It was like once every 2 years, moving average was retested. Go back even earlier than that if you want. Let's do it again. We have 2012. Well, this was a while since then. Wow, actually, 2012 to 2015. Only 3 years, not too bad. 2015, 2016, 2016, 2018, 2 more years. 2020, 2 more years. 2022, 2 more years, and that is it. So we are definitely getting close for that break and that drop. It will not be a surprise. This will be a healthy pullback, and I will be loading up my bag when we fall to this moving average here at 416. Loading it up. So get ready for that, because that's going to be a very nice buying opportunity. We could even fall lower than that, but that's where we're going to be taking advantage of it. So wait, markets are high. Why buy when we're high when we can buy when we're low? But that is probably going to be it for today's episode. Stock market looks decent too, nothing too bad, but I think the same thing that I said with QQQ could be said with the weekly here. And on S&P, you can see very similar 2020, 2022, 2023, and then we're now in 2025 and we haven't seen it. So we're also due for comeback to retest weekly moving average. So keep your eyes peeled, guys. Opportunities are approaching. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.